Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Alan Mantaring, and in this video I just want to show you what inside and how you can use Genius Connector. So first you will search the group you want. For example, me, I'm internet marketer, I'm digital marketer. So I will search for digital marketer Facebook group. So if you are into sports, so whatever sports, you will search Facebook group in that sport. So if you are promoting a wellness program, so you will find and you will join some of the wellness uh, program Facebook group. So first, all you need to do when you are inside the group, all you need to do is just go here. Some other group says members. In here says people. Click this one. When you are already here, okay, as you can see, some people like joined 23 minutes ago. They are very new. Okay. So I already used this one. I have some requests already. So some people joined 2 hours ago. So meaning they are very new people. And this is very, very targeted. Okay. So because those people who join here is looking ways how to make money online. So it depends on your needs. So as you can see in here, so from Virginia, so okay. So when you are here, you click this one, click, and it's up to you how many minutes you want. Okay, for example, we have interval here, we have 3 minutes, we have 9 minutes, we have 5 minutes, and we have auto, meaning so it designed. So this one, the Chrome extension decide, right? So you can add request by limited. So in limited, you can write, for example, 40 people. So yeah, infinite. So you don't need to put anything here. Limited, for example, this one. And keyword, so it's up to you if you want digital marketer, affiliate marketer, or anything. So it's up to you. Uh, this one, message group, I have this one because when someone accept my friend request, so automatically it send message, right? So to build connection. At the same time, it will build also the engagement. So every time I make posts, I have already engaged on these people, and Facebook will send, right? When I creating posts, all you need to do is just click this one, run. So as you can see, right, it's working right now. You can see here, Genius Connector has started and running. So meaning you don't need to refresh this one because it will stop. But the good thing on here, right, while doing this or while working on the background, okay, while working on the background, you can leave this one and you can do something. For example, here, I'm currently, while shooting this video, I'm currently editing the sales page of this Genius Connector. Okay, so yeah, here there's a video testimonial. Here, this one. So as you can see, just for demo purposes, I just want to show you how it works. Actually, I put that video here. Okay, in this part. So now let's go back. So it's still adding. So all we need to do is just wait. So this one, it's something like that. That's no problem. Meaning you cannot add that people. Okay. So I just post this video for a while. Then later on, I will show you how many people add automatically. See, as you can see, right? So we have already this one. It's already added. Okay. So this one, meaning there are times that we cannot add. So that's no problem. As you can see here, right? So it's already adding, okay? While I leave it, I'm doing something, and you have very, very targeted friends. So, okay, I will stop for a moment. If you want to stop, you just click this one, this. Okay, then refresh. I just want to show you what another features you can have this one. So click this one, click again, and you can you click, you will see this 3 button. Click this. So we have delete pending request. So it is not good when some people never accept your friend request. So the good thing on here is you can delete them every week. Okay, and we have also some trainings. Okay, if you want training about this Genius connector, about this Chrome extension, it is completely here. It is in YouTube. Okay, so all you need to do is just click this one. Okay, training, and we have also settings. Oh, someone comment on me asking about the business. Sorry for that. So settings. Also, the good thing on this business is you can add messages, right? You can add message when someone accept your friend request. So it will send the message automatically, and you can edit all the words, right? For example, 3 words, 4 words, you can edit them, right? So Facebook will not detect that you are not a person. So here, right? And good thing here is you can build connection, okay? You can create groups about, for example, new friend. This is for those who are new friend. So I create a message, and this segment's message is 3. Intro, second message, and outro. Okay? And this one, the settings. So not necessarily, right? You can add more group. Okay? So can you imagine this one, guys, right? For just $1, okay, $1 every single day, and you can add, okay, unlimited targeted friends. So it's up to you if you want to add 100. Since this Chrome extension is, you can use every time if you got monthly or if you got lifetime. Sorry, if you got yearly. So you can add more people, and if you don't like these people, or these people is not converting, you can remove all of that people, and you can add again another targeted friends. Okay, and that's it for this video. All you need to do is just click the link below. It's only $30 a month and only $1 a day. Okay, you can add up to 100 targeted friends on Facebook with just $1 every single day.